Hey guys, NIC here with another daily recap. It's great day recap again. It was almost green, but then I lost at the last few trade. So since yesterday is a really long daily recap, I'll keep it short today. So first sticker was ANPC, which I played in the open. As you see, it was coming up, so I can't chase it. I could have added here, which I didn't, which I added after the third minute candle. So I added here and then it just fades down. Didn't hold the view up, so I sold off here. Which for some reason it came back up strong again. It's really choppy, as you can see all this. So yeah, second time I tried again, added it here. Hope, but then yeah, got stop out here. Guess this is too choppy at the open. It happens. So and this isn't the first time that AMPC is doing this. But thankfully I played really small. I was buying very small share size because as I can see it's like on the 200 SMA. So yeah, after that I just didn't touch it because this is two knives and the second knife is pretty, actually this is too choppy, but it's like 2 to 3 knives around here. So I know it's really bad and I stayed away from it. ANPC. So second LEDS, this is mid, yeah, around 10:30. Like yeah, it happens like stocks like this that came out of nowhere and is gapping up, but you can still lose money from it. This is another example, right? So I chased it. I think I pressed the buy around here, but the feel is pretty bad. I got filled around here because previously the gap is pretty huge. So yeah, then I got stop out here, which is, and it continued to run here. So yeah, that's like what, two losing trade already. So yeah, lose one, lose two, lose three, and WAFU, this is pretty nice. If you have been trading for a while, especially this year, I'm sure you heard of WAFU or this, all the China education stocks. So basically, for no reason, they usually just get bought up and then just fade off. So yeah, it got bought up here. So I was hearing WAFU on the scanner, so I added here, sold off here, and this is the frustrating thing because of how big the gap was. Back then it was around like 30 cents. So I was so mad. I think I clicked sold here, but I got hit around here. Then second time I added around here, and I clicked sold around here, but I got hit around here. That's because of the gap. Then seeing how this was, back then it was only at this candle. I know that's it for WAFU because that's how it usually goes. So I stay away from it, which really get knifed really badly. So as you can see, today is pretty. It might be the worst day of the month in terms of like volatility and stuff. As you can see, AMPC is like one of the leading gapper and it's only up like 15%. So the rest of the gappers are like single digit. GEO is another one. I think I only play in the open. This is how do I say, a really bad trade. I forced this one. Like although I always preach like don't force any trades. Let the trades come to you. Like sometimes trading is like fart. So if you have to force it, it's probably shit. And in this case, it's true. Added here thinking that okay, maybe I can just sell off the pop. It was 9719. Yeah, actually this was the pop, but I did not sold it. Was hoping for more since I got in at a really small share. Guess greed got the best of me. So like, yeah, when it was going down, I was like thinking, okay, nothing much. I could still hold it. I could even play it till here since I got it very small. Like I don't have to watch it too much, but when you break this line, so I think like okay, maybe that's it. However, the next candle it did. So yeah, this is a really bad trade. Thankfully I got in small, so doesn't matter too much to me. VXRT was a good. Okay, this is a break even trade, so yeah, as I see, it's breaking a new high. I got here and then sold off here, really nice. Then I see the 9 resistance is super strong. However, it could still hold this support here, so I added here, seeing if it could play around here. But when I see it's getting to, this sell off is very odd and it's so damn near the VWAP. Volume is not really there after here, so I sold off here, and I was right. Went to shit again. The ALF started hotter here. I chased it here. Like I was thinking, since all the other tickers are so quiet, I think, I mean, I'm just predicting maybe okay, ALF has the chance to maybe go into like a hot up shit, which it didn't. So yeah, got stop out here and didn't touch it since it's pretty like not much attention on it, and yeah, that's what happened. ORPH is the not what I usually trade. Like from yesterday's recap, I already said like those minus 20%, minus 40% is not what I usually trade, but yeah, today's I forced it again. So added here, got stop out here. However, added here, and I just break even it back. So I'm like, okay, that's it. I'm done with you. So basically, it didn't really happen much. This is what happened for all these tickers. Like, some might think it's oversold, like 77. This was the weird period where it got bought up a lot from all the hot. So then the last trade is this. No surprise, AMC. During the open, I feel it's oversold here, so I added on the VWAP. Like I feel very safe for this ad, so I basically let it rank. Sold off here, really good. However, the second time I was thinking maybe this could be like a ABCD. Looks really nice, looks like a pullback, so I added here. Kind of bad feel, I don't know, or just a bad timing, bad trade. I should add it nearer to the VWAP, but I guess I hesitated, so I added here, wanting to see if it could hold the VWAP, and I thought it could. Didn't sell this pop, which is great again. Then I have to sell it when it goes below the VWAP, and then it looks like a pretty ugly head and shoulder, so I'm like, oh, I'm out, which is true. It fades like shit. However, it's still trying again. So yeah, that's all for today. I traded quite a lot of tickers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it's a great day for me going into the weekend, but it's okay. It's a pretty bad week for me, but that's just how it is. Take the weekend to rest my mind, rest everything, and hopefully next week will be better. Okay, so that's all for today's daily recap. There's nothing that I will really keep on watch, and I'll probably close this after this recording. I mean, LEDS seems worth watching, but the volume and attention, I don't want to spend like 10-20 minutes here just for some scalps. And I'll just call it a week. And it is a red week. Haven't been having a red week for a while, but it's okay. It happens. There's such period, so just rest up. Monday, come back stronger. And yeah, so have a nice weekend. Bye.